Alright, hope everyone of us is okay. So in today's lesson, we're going to be looking at Earth geometry. This is 2019 past paper. So the question says the points P, Q, and R and T are on the surface of the Earth, as shown in the diagram below. You take pi to be equals to 3.142 and the radius to be equals to 3437 nm, which stands for nautical miles. So P, Q, T, and R. So here guys, the first question says find the difference in longitude between point T and R. So what you do is you state the position of T. So looking at T, it is here. We're going to pick lat, what, longitude. So we're going to say 55 degrees south, 90 degrees west. Then going back to R again, we're going to say R is going to be equals to 55 degrees south, 45 degrees east. So meaning that the difference between the 2 points, so the same hemispheres we cancel, the different hemispheres we add. So when we say 90 plus 45, these are degrees. So the final answer is going to be 135 degrees. You can even use your calculator. So this is going to be our number 1. Number 2, it says find in nautical miles the distance between P and Q along the latitude 65 degrees north, along the 65 degrees north. So looking at P and Q, they're actually in the circle of latitude. So if you want to calculate the distance between PQ, you're just going to say PQ is equals to theta over 360 multiplied by 2 pi r cos lat. So this theta here stands for the difference between the 2 points, and this cos lat, we're going to get the 65 degrees newtons. So the first thing that we do is we're going to state the position of P. So after you state the position of P, we're going to have 65 degrees north, 90 degrees west. And then looking at our Q again, I'm going to say Q is equals to 65 degrees north, 45 degrees east. After stating the position, for us to find the difference between the 2 points, we're going to cancel the same hemispheres. We add the different hemispheres. So as we add the different hemispheres, we have 90 plus 45, which is going to give us a 135 degrees. So meaning on our formula, which is PQ, we're going to say PQ is equals to the difference between the 2 points. It's 135 over 360 multiplied by 2, the pi. So you've seen the pi, it's going to be 3.142 times the radius, which is 3437 times cos lat. We pick the 65 degrees there. So we're going to say 65 degrees. So our PQ, just get your calculator, you punch. After you compute this on your calculator, the answer that we're getting, we're going to round it off to 2 decimal places. So it's going to be 3422.91 nautical miles. So this is going to be the distance between PQ. Now going back to this one was our 2A, then 2B. Want to get PT from P to T. So you see it's along the circle of longitude. So the distance between P and T is going to be equals to theta over 360 times 2 pi r. We're not going to add the cos lat because it's along the circle of longitude. So we're going to state the position of P. So P, we have 65 degrees north, comma 90 degrees west, and then we have our T. So T we have 55 degrees south, comma, and then what else are we having? So we have a 90 degrees west. Same hemispheres, they are gone. So we're going to add 65 plus 55 for us to find the difference. So this is going to give us 10, 0, carry 1. 6 plus 5, it is 11, plus 1, it's what? It's a 12. So the difference between the 2 points is going to be 120. So now we're going to apply the formula. We're going to say PT is going to be, so where there's a theta, we're going to substitute with 120 over 360 multiplied by 2 times 3.142 times the radius, which is 3437. When you compute this on your calculator, the final answer that we're going to get is going to be 7,200 nautical miles. I've left this one in three significant figures. So thank you very much, guys. I hope you have enjoyed your lesson. Goodbye.